Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce everything about the features of our software, our TikTok software, from steps like adding an account, Posai, interacting with accounts, and how to increase engagement. So in this video, I will introduce everything included in our TikTok software. When you want to queue up for a live stream or boost engagement, you need to have an account first, right? So here you will go to the function to add an account. Here I will paste the account details in, for example, an account like this one. So here I'll guide you through the process as well. If you're new, you'll first need to click on More. Then you'll need to create your own category. For example, click on More 1. If it already exists, for instance like this, you just select that section, then choose Format. For example, with the account section, I'll show you right here. The entries are separated by a vertical bar, not by pressing the Enter key. This part is the UID, which is optional. This is the username, this is the password, and this is the email address, just like that. Email, password. Now, moving right along to the next part. This is specifically the section called the refresh token mail. Alright, let's review carefully. Here, we also have both 2FA and the recovery email section. So first, you'll need to add 2FA. Yeah, so that's the recovery email, and once that's done, you just need to explore and you're all set. So you will have an account section that looks exactly like this, and then you just keep on selecting everything here, including all the different sections in the account management area. If you find you can't manage it, it will take the name, this and that, and absolutely everything, including the follow-up and following sections and everything else located here. For example, if you happen to buy an account and it gets locked, you simply go to the email section here and unlock the email. Then you select the specific accounts you just added. For example, right here, I am working with Fieldbox Mail. So you just select that particular mail section, then choose the mail domain like Mailboxer, right? Then my tool will automatically go into the email host, log into the host mail, go to your email area, get the code, and then get the mail token. If your account gets locked to the email, my tool will automatically go in and retrieve the code for you. But first, you really need to have the mail token, then my tool will automatically fetch this mail token for you. After that is done, you just need to go back to the account management section, select the account, and log in once again. Because my tool already automatically fetched the code for you, I will handle the verification email for you in that section. For example, in the unlocked mail section. And next, in the beginning, when you are just getting started, you do not need to pay much attention to this. I will just keep it exactly as it is. In the card section, right? This number here represents the total number of threads. For example, if your machine runs 30 threads at the same time, and if you want to be even more careful, you can right-click here on the Tab Manager, click on Tab Manager, then go to the Performance section. Here, this is a Xeon chip, which is a pretty cheap chip. Here, I can run about. This chip has 10 cores and 20 threads. So, my machine can run up to 20 TikTok views at the same time. It will use the CPU, RAM, and a bit of the GPU, but the GPU can handle it quite easily. That is it, if your database is configured in that way. Here, for example, max views, max concurrent views, or if you want to get account info, copy accounts, or log in with a copy for the browser, I will use my own custom developed tool. That is it. Basically, I just pick the latest version, check it, and that is all. Just click right here. For example, if there is a small error here, just ignore it. It will fetch automatically, no problem at all. Here, once you get the mail token, that's good to go. For the best results, you should use the proceed section so you can retrieve everything related to the mail token to get all the account information. Because if you're using a single IP and you log in too many times with one IP, it can cause issues. For example, here, there's an error with one account. If that happens, just ignore it, it's not a big deal. Click on the accounts, then select all accounts and click to get account information. In this section, whether you choose to get account info or log in to the account, both are fine. You can choose whichever you prefer. Personally, I like to click get account info because after it retrieves all the information, it will automatically close all the tabs. But if you log in, it will keep the tabs open like this. For example, this maximum section is related to the proceed part, so you should attach proceed so you can log into the account. it's no problem, just attach a proxy and it's fine. In the mining section, there's an integrated captcha solving feature, so you simply add your API key. Once you've added it, as you can see, it automatically retrieves that part. See, it automatically retrieves the code for you. We would love for you to subscribe to the Lala School channel today so you never miss out on any of our exciting new videos. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you fun, educational content and creative adventures that are perfect for learning. By subscribing, you will stay updated and become a member of our community. We share fresh videos every week for you to enjoy. Join us now to be part of the fun here at Lala School. After logging in, remember to keep the name, copy the number of followings, follow up, asset token, everything is displayed. This is the first step to logging into your account. Next, just follow the steps to attach a proxy to your account. We have integrated both types, first rotating and dynamic proxies, and second static proxies. I usually use static proxies. For example, I will add this proxy in. It's also very simple if you want to add a proxy. You just click on this proxy app, then select the format. For example, whether you buy from ProxySeller or from some other sites, most of them only use one of these two formats, like this Hostiport for instance. And after that, you just need to paste a section in here. And keep in mind, all proxies are separated by this symbol by a colon. They are not separated by the @ symbol. If you add the @ symbol, you won't be able to add the proxy. That's it. Once you're done, just add the proxy. For example, I have all the proxies here. Let's say I've already added them. Then I click on check proxy to see if they're live or dead, so I can filter them for you. After that, I attach them in the assign section. Assign is to attach to all accounts. For example, here, I attach to all here. I attach to all these accounts. Then I just choose, for example, one proxy for one account, one proxy for multiple accounts, or randomly or automatically assign to all accounts. For example, here, I'll set it to 4. So the software will automatically assign proxies to the accounts like that. Here it will assign all of them right here. See, it will immediately show up here like 16 and so on. And here I just go to the Molink 1 section. So all these accounts of mine have already had the proxy part assigned. That's it. Next, this is the account interaction section. This is a feature that allows you to nurture your accounts, because you know whether a TikTok account is good or not depends on your activity history. The more active your TikTok history is, the better it will evaluate your account quality. For example, if you are very active, TikTok will rate you well, and from there, your account will be better and your fan line will also improve. For example, click add script, then you can add a scenario, add script here. For example, here is scrolling through the feed, then watching videos from 30 seconds to 30 seconds, then commenting, sharing, or interacting with keywords. For example, here I interact with the keyword comment stick or beauty. So here I will interact with 3 keywords at once. For each keyword, you can configure and determine exactly how many videos to watch, like the videos and so on. But there is one very important thing I must mention first. You won't be able to watch commercial videos or those with shopping baskets. Bots can never watch those. So you'll need to go to the live stream interaction section, or you have to watch your competitors' live streams first. In this section, you'll mainly use the general interaction feature, so your account can build up more activity history, making your account much better. Another way to nurture your account is the post function. For example, you can upload videos, like downloading videos from Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform you can get them from. Then you perform some basic editing and modifications to avoid being flagged as spam, and after that, you just upload the videos here to nurture your account. For instance, I might get videos from China, then just click here. Hey, if you want to upload videos with tags or use the video cloning feature, well, it's all done by real people, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can simply go ahead and do it the same way as I do. Also, when it comes to nurturing your account, you can test by watching your competitors first, so that your account shows up as if you're interested in their products. That way, they might redistribute the content to you, and you can watch it when it gets pushed to you, right? With NuDefit, If you're interested in a certain product, you'll need to search for it. For example, if you're interested in cosmetics, then you scroll through videos about cosmetics, browse the shopping baskets for cosmetics, and then you go back to Nudafit as usual. I guarantee that your first 5 to 10 videos will all be about cosmetics. You can use this specific part to evaluate TikTok's algorithm. If you use my product, it will pull in exactly the right segment for you and it will bring the right audience to your live stream with actions like that during your session, as I just mentioned, right? Scrolling through many feeds, then it will watch your fan live, and then there are so many people around the world on TikTok having that same habit, and it pulls those kinds of people in to watch. It's that simple. And when you set up your live stream based on your competitor first, right? After that, I pull them into my fan live. That's quite good for me, right? There's absolutely nothing hard to understand about it, but when you watch a competitor's fan live, just pay a little bit of extra attention or simply don't interact too much. Here, with my software, you can set it up like this. First, set up the video and then set up the live stream. You just drop the fan live stream directly here, then you just adjust this specific part. For example, when you first enter, this section will be set to 00, but I change it to 11. Then watch the live stream session from 30 seconds to 30 seconds. Because a live stream will have the customer's appearance, just like when you go shopping at a physical store. You'll go into the store, look at which products are suitable for you, then you'll go out, pay and leave. That's exactly how it works. And during your live stream session, there will be questions for the consultants, meaning questions for you, the host, about issues related to the product. This is to boost interaction in that session, just like that. And after you feel satisfied with it, you'll share that product with others, you'll share it with others. My tool does the same thing. Share that video, share that live stream right away. Everything that a real person does, my tool does exactly the same. Or you can randomize those actions like liking, commenting, sharing, following. Everything is random, just like what real people do. The main tool does it that way. And for the content, for comment content, right? You just use ChatGPT. For example, I use ChatGPT to generate 100 comments just like that. Or, for example, if you only want to do likes, like hard likes, or likes for entertainment content, you can use some comments like good, the cool, or something like that. Then you'll let these content pieces repeat. Allow content, big win account. After you're done, just select the account. That's it. You set it up, review everything to see if it's correct, then select the account and start. Because all these parameters, my tool will save everything on the system. So you just need to tick it, then start, and that's it. That's how it works. One more thing, changing account information. For example, if you buy accounts and encounter a problem, like when you buy Vietong accounts, you might run into this situation. It looks very fake, right? So with my tool, you can change everything right away. For example, you can change the avatar, change the keywords, change the name, change the bio, or even change the TikTok ID. All of it. You can change everything. I can do all of that for you. So this is an overview of my TikTok ranking software. It has a lot of features, and in this video, I've summarized those features for you, the main features. If the remaining features also work well and bring good benefits, you just need to let me know. I will guide you through that feature. Thank you for watching my video.